Holly's making some pattern using stone. Here we have design number 1, design number 2, design number 3. Copy and complete the table. Use it to find a formula between the design number n and the number of stones. Which design number has 164 stones? So what you need to do is just count the number of stones here and then put the relevant amount there. So that's 9. If you count the second one, you're going to get 14. And you count the third one, you're going to get 19. At this stage, you will realise that they are going up in 5. You're adding 5 each time. So basically, all we need to do now is add 5 to 19 to get 24. Add 5 to 24 to get 29. And add 5 to 29 to get 34. Right, now we need to come up with a formula between the design number n and the number of stones. So S would have to begin with 5m because you're adding 5 each time, and then you can take 9 and then go back minus 5, which will take you to 4, which means you need to add 4 to this. This is just a method of finding the nth term of a linear sequence is what we got here, because it's linear because it's going up by the same amount each time. Right, which design number has 164 stones? So what we do in this formula, we put 164 is equal to 5n plus 4. So 5n plus 4 is equal to 164. Taking 4 from both sides, we're going to get that 5n is equal to 160. Dividing by 5, we're going to get that the design number will be 32. So design number 32. So if you continue the table until you get 32, in the end, you will have 164 stones. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find a formula for a sequence given a pattern. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.